Good afternoon everyone. Update natin sa traffic guys. Traffic nila sa Gordo. Adlaw Merkulis. Normal traffic situation at Goroldo Road. Thank you for watching everyone. All viewers, thank you for watching. Guys, atong i-update kanuna yung traffic sa Sugbo, Sugbuhanon, Garbo kini sa Cebu, Philippines. Traffic situation adlaw Merkulis, Abril 30. Pasok